This is the ORORO heated down scarf for both women and men. This scarf comes included with a battery pack that provides up to 14 hours of warm electric heat. The battery pack is lightweight, easy to use, and rechargeable. The battery pack fits securely inside the ORORO scarf. The ORORO scarf has an outside material which is water resistant and made of a puffer-like texture. The scarf is 43 inches in length, which makes it the perfect length for either men or women to be able to use. There is also a slit for you to be able to insert the opposite side for ease of use and for the scarf to stay on even in windy weather. The inside material is made of a soft plush, which is comfortable rubbing up against the neck. To easily install the battery pack, just unzip the pocket on the scarf, plug it in, place inside the scarf, and re-zip. The light should light up, indicating the battery pack has been installed, and you can now turn on the heat for the scarf. By holding down the button on the scarf, you can turn the scarf off and on, as well as change the different settings from low, medium, and high. When on, the scarf will light up red, and when it is off, it will just be white and not lit up. The puffer material makes it easy to slide the opposite side of the scarf through the slit for ease and comfort of use. The scarf is very comfortable with the down feathers and made of very high quality material. The inside lining is soft and very comfortable against the neck. It is also water resistant, so perfect for snowy or rainy days. You can simply rub the water right off. The scarf is also very flattering from behind as it covers your full neck and hugs it perfectly.